Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Chrome and go to the Chrome web store to find Google Authenticator. Search for the official Authenticator extension and verify the publisher before installing. Click Add to Chrome and confirm to install the Authenticator extension into your browser. Wait for installation to complete and then click the puzzle icon in the toolbar to view extensions. Pin the Authenticator icon to the toolbar for quick access whenever you need a code. Keep Chrome updated so the extension receives security patches and feature improvements automatically. Open the website or service settings and navigate to two-step verification or security. Choose to add an Authenticator account and select the option to show a QR code on screen. Click the Authenticator extension and select Add Account to open the QR scanner overlay in Chrome. Scan the QR code with the scanner or choose Enter key to type the secret manually if scanning is impossible. The extension will display a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds for secure logins. When signing in, open the Authenticator extension and copy the current 6-digit code to the login prompt. Enter the 6-digit code within the site's verification field to complete authentication and access your account. Always save the provided backup codes or secret key in a secure password manager or encrypted file for account recovery. Use the secret key to reconfigure Authenticator on a new device or profile if you lose access. If you remove the extension, revoke app permissions and reconfigure two-step verification to maintain security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.